A single mother posted on Reddit that she'd been using the Sleep as Android app to help her get a more restful sleep. She'd turn on a feature that would start recording whenever it heard nighttime noises, wanting to see if she was talking in her sleep or if she had sleep apnea. But instead, she reported in her post she'd heard something she could never have expected. The only other person in her house had been her 3-year-old son, but the app had turned on at 2:04 a.m., picking up strange noises that sounded like someone was rustling through her things. She heard herself in the recording groggily asking, still asleep, "What are you doing?" And then she heard a man reply, "Nothing."